In this example, we've been given two different date types. So the day, month, year split into three different columns, and then a delivery date with full stops. The difference here is we don't want to use a tool, we want to make use of formulas. So the first one, we just need to convert this into a valid Excel date. So I'm going to use the date function, and I can tell it that's the year, that's the month, that's the day. It's okay. Copy that down. So we've done the first one. The second one is slightly more complex. We need to turn this and extract from here the day, month, year. You can see there's full stops that is doing that, but notice that it's not consistent. So here we've got two characters, then we've got one character. So we're going to have to use the text functions, left, right, mid, but we're going to have to tell it exactly how many characters to do. So what we need to first figure out is where's the first full stop in each case. There's a function in Excel called find, and what this does, it says what text do you want to find. So I'm just going to put a full stop. Where must it go look for that full stop? Over here. The start number will sort out just now. I'm going to say okay. I can copy this. So we now know where the first full stop is. We now need to know where the second full stop is. So we're going to use the find function again. Again, what we're looking for a full stop. Where must it look for it? Over here. But now we need to tell it not to start at the beginning again. It needs to start after the first full stop. So we're going to say start looking only when you see go past that character, but we need to put a +1 here, so that it only starts at character number 4 and then finds the next full stop. Say okay. So we now know where the first full stop is, where the second full stop is. What is the gap between the full stops? So we can see how wide is this. Is there one character or two? So I'm going to say equals the second full stop minus the first full stop. In this case, we're going to just do a -1. So we now know how many characters are in the middle there. So here you'll see a 2 because it's telling us there's 2 characters we're interested in. Once we know where all the full stops are, now it's just a case of pulling them out. So the day we know is going to use the left function because it's on the left hand side. I'm going to say look there. How many characters must it pull through? Well, it must pull through up until the first full stop, which is up until that one. But notice it's going to pull through 18 and the full stop. So I'm going to put a -1 here, so we only get the 18. The month, you can see, is in the middle here. So I'm going to go and look for the mid function. The text is over here. Where must it start? Well, it needs to start after the first full stop. So I'm going to say, please start over here, but +1. How many characters must it pull through? Well, we've calculated it over here, so I'm going to use that cell. And notice that it's pulling out the 3, so that looks okay. And then the year, and this seems to be consistent. It's always 4 characters on the right hand side. So I'm going to use the right function, point at that text, and make it 4 characters. So now we've extracted out of here the day, month, year, converted to the date, using the date function again. So here's the year, here's the month, here's the day. How many days till the delivery will be that minus that date there. And now we should be able to copy and paste all these down. And you'll notice that it's done it. And right at the bottom here we can work out our average again. We get that number.